you, girl. Okubera, my one sweet girl. My one sweet girl, my one sweet girl. Not only you, girl. Like MJ, you rock my world. Sabo better than I'm Gwemkwana Gwange. You got me singing all day. Girl, I wanna be with you. They don't do me the way you do.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is African Jewel. I hope you guys are well and I hope you're good. I have missed you guys so much. So as you guys can tell from my title, today is another Igbo class. So before I even get into teaching Igbo, this year or the remaining end of the year, I have come to do this thing where I am going to shamelessly plug myself in, because if I don't plug myself in, who else will? Who else will? I don't know. Outside of God, I don't know who else will do it. So I'm gonna plug it in. So this hair that I'm wearing today, this hair, this fine ass hair, this wig, of course, you zooming, yeah, it's from Viva Hair London, and that's my little company. It's not little by the grace of God, it will get big, but Viva Hair London is my hair company, and this hair is from them. It was dyed and the wig was made by me. So if you guys are based in London, Lagos, Abuja, or anywhere in the world really, you guys can send your hair to me and I can make it into a wig for you, or you can order from my hair company as well. So I do installations, I make wigs, and I sell hair as well. So outside of all my little law stuff, that's my little sidekick that I want to become my main kick. So guys, please go on Instagram and follow my page, and we are currently having a back to school sale, so check it out, and yeah, make sure you guys order from us. So let me quickly give you guys a little look of it. Choose me. I'm looking at my little. This is, I'm wearing like a 26-inch. Guys. Ooh. Lean back. But yeah, I'm wearing 26-inch, 24-inch, 26, 24, and 22-inch with 20-inch 6x6 closure, because your girl has had enough of frontals. I can't do it. I'm always in a hot country and I do not have the strength nor the patience to be installing frontal every time. I don't care. I've had enough. So this is a 6x6 closure, so it's from there to there. I literally just changed my old frontal wig to a closure wig, so, and it still has the little flow, guys. It still does, yeah. So make sure you guys check out my company, yeah. But yeah, let's get right into the class now. Back to normal classing section. Okay, so we are going to start with Igbo girls' names, starting with A. So the first one is Adaeze. Let's say it again. Adaeze. One more time. Adaeze. That's a girl's name. Adaeze. So what does that mean in English? Is Adaeze means like a princess, the daughter of a king. I mean, Jesus is the most high king, so my name can be Adaeze. I don't care if you are saying it. But yeah, Adaeze means a princess, a daughter of a king. Ada is like the first daughter in Igbo. So in my own house, I'm an Ada. And Eze is king. So Adaeze, daughter of a king. So yeah, that's the first one. The second one is Adanna. Let's say it again. Adanna. One more time, guys. Adanna. So you guys hear someone's called Adanna, what does Adanna mean? What does it mean? So Adanna is also, as we know, is the first girl in the family. Na is the father. And if you guys have been watching my videos, if you haven't, make sure you click the link in the description box and go watch my running classes. Nna is father, so my father's daughter, or the father's daughter. Adanna is her father's daughter. So yeah, first girls are really called anything with Ada, really and truly. Like Ada, because you're the eldest daughter in the family. So yeah, so let's go into the next name. Okay, so the next name is Adanna. So you guys already heard of Adanna, which is her father's daughter. Adanna simply means her mother's daughter. So let's say the name 2 more times. Adanne. Let's try it again. Adanne. Let's say it one last time. Adanne. So there you go. Adanna is another lovely Igbo girl's name. Let's go on to the next name. Daughter. Another one is Adaolisa. I know this one's a little bit more complicated. Adaolisa. Let's try again. Adaolisa. One last time. Adaolisa. So joined together is Adolisa. What does that mean? It means God's daughter. Igbo names are just beautiful. It's just so beautiful, man. Just so sweet. Adolisa, it's just sweet. Just a lovely something. So Adolisa means God's daughter. So yeah, hope you guys like it. Let's go on to the next name. Another Igbo girl's name is Amaka. This is literally the most common Igbo name for a girl. Somebody's called Amaka. Amaka here, Amaka there. Amaka up, Amaka down. Amaka give me love. Oh, sorry, what's that? Amaka disappoint. It mean confusion. Whatever that is. But what does Amaka mean? Amaka just means beautiful. Let's say it again. Amaka. Usually the name is different because my name is Amaka. My Igbo name is Amaka. So you can always add something, so it's not just Amaka, so you can make yourself a little bit different, you know what I mean? So what does Amaka mean? Amaka means beautiful. So let's go on to the next name. Okay, the next name that we have is, this one's a bit longer, Amarchukwu. Let's say it again. Amarchukwu. Let's try it again. Amarchukwu. Anule is joy in Igbo, that's what it means. Chukwu means God. So if you join it together, it means joy of the Lord or joy of God. So let's try it again. Let's say the name a few more times. Amarchukwu. Let's try it again, guys. Amarchukwu. There you go. Another girl's name that starts with an A. If you guys are looking for that. So let's go on to the next girl's name. So the next name that we have is Adaugo. Let's say it a few more times. Adaugo. One more time, guys. Adaugo. What does Adaugo mean? As we know, one more time, Ada is the first girl of the family, but you can really call it for any girl, really, I guess, I don't know. But it's usually used for the eldest girl in the family. Ako is wealth. So it either means a girl born into a wealthy family or the one who brings wealth to the family. So it depends on the circumstances that the family is in, because if you're really wealthy, she was born into a wealthy family, Adaugo. She's born into a wealthy family. Or if she's the one that changes like the family situation when she was born, they can call her Adaugo, meaning the one who brings wealth into the family. So yeah, let's go into the next name. The next name is Adora. Let's say it. Adora. Let's say it slowly. Adora is that's the full way to say Adora. But to break it down for you guys to understand better, Adora. Let's say it again. Adora. Together now. Adora. Together one more time. Adora. What does Adora mean? You might be wondering, what does it mean? I don't know. What does Adora mean? Adora means the people's daughter. So it's probably like a community of people that, depending on what village you're from or what tradition you're in, this could be the community that names her. And Adora means the daughter of the people or the people's daughter. So yeah, let's go on to the next name. Okay, so the next name is Amarchukwu. Let's take it slowly. Amarchukwu. Let's say it slowly again. Amarchukwu. Some people can shorten it and say Amarachi. So Chi and Chukwu still means God. Amara still means mercy. Amara still means mercy in Igbo. So it's either Amarchukwu or Amarachi, depending on whichever one sounds better to you. They all have the same meaning. So it's either Amarchukwu or Amarachi. And what does this name mean? In English, it translates into the mercy of God or mercy of God. So Amarchukwu is mercy of God in English. So let's go on to the next name. Okay, the next name is Asoka. Let's say it again. Asoka. One more time, guys. Asoka. Last time. Asoka. Asoka means or translates into confidence in English. So it depends on the way you want to speak into your daughter or whoever it is that you want to give the name to, because your name really speaks into you and your future, so it has an effect on you. So pick wisely what name you want to kind of use and lead the way of your life and pattern your life. So guys, that's my top 10 Igbo girls' names starting with A. Let us start the Igbo boys' name starting with A. So guys, you know these name videos, if you guys see me wearing the same shirt, I filmed it on the same day because they are all the same lesson, meaning different section, broken into different ways. I don't want to change. So therefore, I'm going to film this lesson with what? With the same shirt. So nobody should come to me and comment on my comments. The Africans you have worn that top before in a video. Why are you posting it again? I'm posting it again because I paid the money with the shade. It's my money that I used to buy the shades. It's not your own. It is not. So yeah, I'm going to film a couple of videos with Igbo names and their meanings, and just know it's the same. It was filmed on the same day. Is it me? Okay, so guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for part 2 of Igbo boys' names starting with A.